Hi guys! Today I'm going to do some layering techniques, and oftentimes I get the question, oh, could you possibly start with something you wouldn't normally start with, or is that going to ruin the other thing? Which I understand, but I think that playing around a little bit with the order sometimes can have a really nice outcome and a surprising finish that's a little bit different to what you're used to. So I'm going to start off with our Superloaded Tinted highlight underneath the Beauty Butter bronzer. Okay, so here we go. So I'm gonna give myself a nice warm contour and just a little bit of shape to my face. And I'm wearing this hat because it's so bright, and I'm always trying to protect my skin ever since I've had a few biopsies. And this is such a nice product because it gives you luminosity, warmth, and shape, which who doesn't want all of those things? You can also put it on your eyes, it's really pretty. Okay, and now I'm gonna layer with the Beauty Butter bronzer, which is really nice, and it settles into the skin as opposed to sitting on top of the skin, which makes it look more authentic. Okay, so I actually like to go over kind of this half of the face in horizontal motions. So I go underneath the eye, on top of the eyelid. I'm gonna get the bridge of the nose. And I like going in horizontal motions because it feels like it looks more authentic and less cosmetic. It just is warming up my general skin tone. And I don't go below the cheekbone necessarily. I don't go down here, because then you end up looking just like you have a lot of makeup on. And I'm just sweeping back and forth. And you see my Superloaded Tinted highlight is still intact. No smudging. Forehead's important. It's really nice for people with lighter eyes to get, you know, on the eyelid and a little bit underneath. It really pops the eye color. I hope you can see with my hat on. I feel so much better with a bit of color. Sometimes I'll just get under the jawline, but I won't do this portion of my face. Okay, so that's Superloaded Tinted highlight and Beauty Butter bronzer. And I can keep going. I can keep layering Chouchette on top of the powder, which is actually something that is also a little bit tricky sometimes. And people think that, oh no, but if I put a cream on top of a powder, what's gonna happen? But I'll show you, it's gonna be fine. So Chouchette is our baby cheek shade, and it's a really beautiful peachy nude, and it's super beautiful to enhance and to brighten the complexion. So if, you know, if some people get a little bit of color during the summer, or they add a bit of color to their skin, which is what I do typically, it's nice to brighten the complexion, and it's a great color for doing just that. To the middle of the apple and go in kind of like a horizontal oval shape. And then this side I can do direct to the skin from the bullet, just to show you. It looks healthier and brighter, in my opinion. Little on my lips. And that's it. Let me know what you think in my comments. I'd love to hear if you're gonna try it out and see what you think. Okay, thanks so much for watching.